Hey guys, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So today guys, we're going to be making hominy corn porridge, and in my bowl I have 2 cups of crushed corn that I had soaking overnight in salt water. I gave it a good rinse. Now I'm gonna add it to my pot, and to my pot I'm also going to be adding some of my spices, and then in the end I'm going to add some more. So to this I'm going to add some vanilla. I'm going to be adding some nutmeg, and I'm also going to add a stick of cinnamon. And guys, I will leave the ingredients in the description so you guys could know the amount of stuff that I put into this porridge. So guys, we're going to give this a quick stir, and then we're going to cover this and we're going to let it cook for about 30 minutes, and then we're going to check our corn to make sure that they're not overcooked or if it needs to cook a little bit more. I like mine not overcooked. I still like to have that, nice texture to it. It's not soft and mushy, but still have that nice dense texture. And guys, as you can see, it's coming along nicely. The smell from that spice, the corn, it smells yummy. Okay guys, so let's prepare our mix that we're gonna use to make our porridge. So I'm using, instead of flour, white flour, I'm actually using corn flour, and this is corn that they grinded out very fine to a flour texture. And I found this in the grocery store right next to the cornmeal, so I decided to try it with the corn mixture instead of the flour that I always use. So I'm adding water to my corn flour, and I'm gonna use a whisk to whisk it so all the lumps is removed before I add it to my pot with my corn. And again guys, if you don't have a whisk, you could use a fork to do this to do this part, or you could use a spoon. It's just that I find the spoon take a little bit longer. So guys, I turn my stove down a little bit below medium because I don't want it to be boiling on high while I'm doing this part, because I'm trying to not let it form lumps. So again, I'm still using my whisk, and again, it's just to avoid lumps in my porridge, because I don't want, when I'm drinking, I'm eating lumps, cornmeal lumps, or corn flour lumps. So guys, as you can see, I still have that nice yellow color that I want to keep. So this is why I opt to use the corn flour instead of the plain white flour, because once you add your milk, that's also gonna make it a little lighter. So I'm adding the rest of my mixture, and I'm gonna keep whisking, and then I'm gonna keep my stove on a little bit below medium. Again guys, it depending on your stove, and so I keep mine a little bit below medium. So number one, my corn don't get stick to the bottom, and all the cornmeal is at the top, or should I say corn flour is at the top, and then all my corn is stuck to the bottom of my pot. And I'm also trying to avoid burning and sticking. So here we go. I'm adding a little bit more spice, and like I said, in the description, I'm going to be leaving the ingredients for you guys and step-by-step instruction how to make this if you haven't made it before and you want to learn how to make it. So we're gonna give this a nice stir, still making sure that none of my corn is sticking to the bottom of my pot. And guys, the aroma that's coming from the this with all the spices and the corn. It smells so yummy. And if you had this before and you know make this before, you could leave a comment in the comment section to let me know how you make yours, and if you tried it before with the corn flour or you just use the straight flour. And guys, I don't like my porridge like thick. I still like a nice texture, but not that thick. So our porridge is ready to be sweetened, and I found Grace condensed milk in the grocery store, and I honestly like to use stuff from my country, and no point intended, but I do like to use my country products. So I want to try this milk. This is the first time I'm seeing Grace milk in the grocery store, so I bought it so I could try it. And it's nice and thick compared to some of the other milk, condensed milk that we buy. So I'm just trying it out to see if it's something that, you know, I'll continue to buy. But here we go. I'm gonna give that a taste to see if I need to add a little bit more sweetener. And I don't need to add any more. Again guys, depending on your taste buds, you like it sweet, not sweet, no sugar, hey. So now I am going to put some on my plate, and the texture, the consistency is perfect. Is exactly how I like my porridge. Again, if you like yours thicker, just, you know, add a little bit more of the corn mix, and to your liking. So for mine, I also like to mix brown sugar with cinnamon and sprinkle on top of my porridge and enjoy it that way. And guys, this is breakfast on a cold Saturday morning. Hominy corn porridge. All right guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. Continue to support, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hey, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Again guys, see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.